I'm Anil Patel from HotWax Commerce, and most of my professional life I've spent working with global enterprises delivering unified commerce solutions. We have a product, and to ensure that our vision for the product aligns with the needs of the business, what I'd make it a point to walk from one company to the other company and meet the leadership of the companies to understand what their business challenges are and how they are addressing their problems, so that we make sure that our product serves them good. Well, today I will discuss here some of my findings from that exercise. Let's take a step back and start with discussing where we start. So we have a product, and so we open up store, and now that we have store, we get our customers, and then we make business, so we refine and repeat, and that's how our business grows. So what you do is you have grown the business, and at this point, your growth now needs some catalyst. So that's when you bring in your IT team to help you with your growth. So when the IT team comes in, they'll start with all these things. So now you have requirements, and then you start building solutions. Now more solutions because you have more and more challenges as you grow in your business. All these solutions are addressing some specific problem for your business, but they are leaving out some because they are not everything, they cannot do everything that your business needs. But then add to the challenge comes in new sales channels, new payment gateways, and then marketing campaigns and all that kind of stuff. So all these time what you've done is you kept adding new and new technologies to your IT infrastructure so that you can address to your business needs. And your system starts to look something like this, wherein you have so many data centers. You have applications that have created data silos for you. You have tools for your company, your people, your team that are working off of data silos. What is this going to create? This is going to, when the customer comes in your door, what is it? Your customer looks at your business as a one brand, one company. And they're expecting a real one consistent experience that is progressive and unified. Whereas what is happening is that you have a repetitive and not so engaging experience. So this is where the challenge is for most of the businesses today. This is what I figured so far. When you, at this point, if you keep doing this, the problem will increase. So most companies at this point resort to adding an extensive CRM system or customer activity repository kind of solutions. Great, yeah, they will help you, but still the interaction is not full duplex. You are not having a dialogue with your customer. It is a conversation that is not consistent, and you're waiting for the data sync up, and so it's out of sync talking with the customer. This is exactly when you lose their attention to your competition. When you lose your attention of your customer to the competition, you lose money to the customer, and that's when the businesses are not happy. So this is the core problem that I see that businesses are facing. They are lacking, they are having difficulty keeping their brand, their customer loyalty to the center. What they really want to do is have customers that are happy and consistent with them. Here we are. Well, no regrets. We did what we did to address the problems we had at the time with the revenues, the money, and the resources that we had in hand at that point. So that's okay. Let's take a step back. And now, with my experience, I can talk to you about few solutions, a three-step solution here that has worked for our customers, and so I'll just discuss that for you. Number one, acknowledge. Acknowledge that you have data silos in your company, which are helping your departments, but not the company. They are individual departments syncing with each other, not the company. Number two, now we are moving from a population-driven growth to consumer-driven economy, wherein customer has to be at the center. So redefine your IT strategy, the IT strategy which has customer in the front and center. Now, once you want to decide your vision, you need to get smart. Really get smart about what solution you're going to pick. This is where, when you see when you have a customer 360 degree at the center, you want to ensure that every activity, every interaction point that you have with your customer is working against or working with, powered by a central repository, one master data. And that would be the customer 360 degree view, wherein when the interactions are happening, they're happening in real time. You are working with the data that you have, powered by that data, your interaction is happening. This is where you have full duplex communication. You are talking about a dialogue and not out of sync talking. So it's about having a dialogue with your customer. Once you have a dialogue with your customer, that's when your business grows and you have more revenues that will take your organization from small to medium and medium to large, wherein your customer will be coming back to you and talking to you, having a dialogue, and become your advocates in the market. Having done this with the customers in global market, US, Europe, Australia, New Zealand, we as a company that has been established, that started in India, we have a team of people, engineering team that works from Indore. We are confident that we will be able to bring this great technology solution to the people in India also. Well, it's not about our solution or your solution. It is about the idea of having a customer in the center. I am really excited and happy to be talking to most of you who are from the other side of the table, who are interacting with the customer and really care for your customer. I would like to get your viewpoints on it and would like to have an understanding of how you are addressing to the 360-degree needs of your customers. Well, you know, I'm here at the booth number 8, or you can find me around at the different booths here talking. Please come and talk to me, and I would really be happy to have a conversation. Thank you.